Today, we are diving into artistic night flash portraits, focusing on behind the scenes and model interactions. Okay. We will cover two types of night flash portrait shoots. One is the model is in the light trails, and the other one is using a slow sync flash technique. As I took these photos and provided feedback to the model, we have successed creating stunning images together. It's like it's all about synergy. Stick around, and by the end of this video, you will know how to capture breathtaking portraits at night. So let's get started. Here in this location, what we're gonna capture is this. How to capture and make this image. First, we have to shoot the light trail, both right and left, the bus and also the tram. Then we're gonna put the model into the center right here. Later, we're gonna combine in the Photoshop, and you're gonna see the editing. I'll make a dedicated tutorials for this video, for editing a video. So please let me know in the comment. My camera gear for the shooting is Sony a7 IV. The lens is Sony 24-105 f4. I chose this lens because I want to capture the model with night view background details. The flash is Godox V1. For this particular shooting, if there are lots of traffic, only one exposure shot can make it. But this location, the, the traffic is so less. So I have to capture the light trail first, then shoot the model separately, then combine together in the Photoshop. The essence of capturing and make this image is you have to stay put the tripod so that you can compose the image after the post production easily. Okay, so now we're gonna try next is slow shutter, slow sync flash portrait. What I'm gonna do is you're gonna use a flash, freeze the movement of the model, and then we move, play around. You move the camera and play around with the light. Let's see how it. Let's try. Okay.
So it's unplanned.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. So 1, 2, 3. Oh, looks cool. For this shooting, I used mist filters. It diffuses the light, gives more soft, hazy, and dreamy images. The other night, I had a similar photo shoot without mist filters. You can take a look at how they look different. Without mist filters, they look like typical tech sharp contrast images. Please let me know in the comment which images you like. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Wow! Now I'm gonna change the shutter speed and play around more with the light. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh, yeah, lots of lights. It's crazy. The lights
Wow.
too noisy.
Wow.
So let's try.
That one, a few pictures before this one, actually pretty cool.
Oh, you like this one?
Yeah, like look at
Okay.
that. I mean,
Hmm.
like if to crop it.
Yeah, yeah. Ah, yeah. It's like, yeah. Okay. So we're gonna move, play around a little bit. Yeah.
Maybe that view
Oh, that way.
but if we go
Okay, okay.
there, because like here the lights.
Okay, now we change the background a little bit, and now let's see how it will work out. And the shutter speed is 1 second. And no need to, the shutter speed is 1 second, and f8 and ISO 800. Let's try. Okay. And here, turn the shutter. And focal length is okay. 1, 2, 3. Wow! Look at this. This is so noisy, no? But we're gonna try many background anyway. Maybe shorter the.
Maybe close up will be better.
Okay.
Like, let's try it.
Okay, let's try. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Look at this.
Yeah, close ups I
Yeah,
think
yeah,
better
yeah,
for
yeah,
this.
yeah, yeah.
Like even closer.
Yeah.
You're getting face, you're getting lights. Because the full body, it's like kind of unbalanced.
Yeah.
Feels-
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Oh, this is amazing. And maybe I'm gonna circle 1, 2, 3. Oh, look at this. And let's record this viewfinder. And this way, let's record. Okay, record started. And 1, 2, 3. Let's see. Ah! Look at this.
Cool.
Oh,
yeah,
yeah,
I
it's
want to
good.
add some S effects. But this one got more.
Yes, you mean a smoke?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Oh, yeah, this is so good. Okay. Okay, try some more. Okay, let's keep shooting. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Right? Okay, one. Okay, okay. Right. Yeah. Okay, we got
Fun. Okay, the previous one was. Oh, that's nice.
oh.
That's nice. I mean that. Yeah, I think this shot
Yeah,
is like the best.
yeah, awesome. Okay.
Really good. Whoa.
Okay, now I got what I want. Okay.
Okay. Yeah, that's like I think all those tries were for this shot.
Yeah. This is awesome. Okay.
Nice.
Now let's go. Let's film closing and let's wrap up. Okay. Is it okay?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
I think I didn't expect us to do that much.
Yeah. Yeah, I got okay. Where's the camera here? Okay. Okay. There you have it. I think we have captured a lot of night portrait style using a flash and mist filters. I hope you enjoyed it and see you in the next video. Bye bye.
Bye.
All right. Okay, we finish. Yay. Okay.
Like this.
watch this. This is an
Yeah.
amazing movie.
Oh yeah?
So,